Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Learn with Hitesh. In this video, we're going to be discussing about permutation and combination. So let's get started. Imagine you have two shirts and three pants. Okay. Imagine you have two shirts and three pants. What are the number of dresses you can make from that? What are the combination of dresses you can make? Let's say the shirt, two shirts. Let's say this is S1 and this is S2. First shirt, second shirt, and you have say three pants, P1, P2, P3. So you have three pants, two shirts. So what I'm gonna do? So if I was you, I would have worn one. So I would wear first shirt, and I put first pant, and then I wear the same shirt and I put the second pant, and I wear the same shirt and I can put the third pant. Now what I'll do, I'm gonna change the shirt. So S2. So I'm gonna change the second shirt and put first pant, and then second shirt, put the same shirt with the next pant, and do the same with the other pant also. So S2 P3. So how many combination of dresses I made? I made 6 combination of dress. So basically, you'll be dealing with these kind of problems in permutation and combination. So let us try to understand the fundamental principle of counting or the multiplication principle. Now the textbook which I'm using for reference is 11th standard Ncert textbook. I'll put the link in the description. You can go and download it for free. So let us see what's fundamental principle of counting is. So if an event can occur in m different ways, following which another event can occur in n different ways, then total number of occurrence of the event in the given order is m into n. So if you read the statement, you can't understand. You have to give example, and then you can relate to that and then understand that. Let's take to the previous example. So if an event, let us take our first event of shirts. So if the number of shirts I took, so the number of shirt I took was 2. So that was my first event. If an event can occur in m, so I'll take this as m different ways. So number of shirt is 2, and if number of pants I took it as, so that's the second event. Number of pant I take it as 3, which is n equal to 3, which is the second event. So another event which can occur in n different ways. So this is the another event. So this was the first event. So then the total number of occurrence of the event is in the given order of m into n. So we found by just hit and trial method that the total number of dresses possible were 6. By using this multiplication principle, we can say just by multiplying these two numbers, which is 3 into 2, 6. So we got just by using this multiplication principle instead of the hit and cross method. So basically, if one event occurs in m different ways, another event occurs in n different ways, the total number of occurrence of the events could be just m into n. Now what if, imagine I have m, so this is shirt, so this is pants, so I have 2 shirts, 3 pants, and then let's imagine I have 5 ties, so 5 different ties I have. So I'm going to introduce one more event, which is P. Is, let's say I have 5 ties. So this is shirts, this is pants, and this is a tie. So what are the different possible dresses which I can make? Just simple, just you have to multiply all this. So this is fundamental principle of counting. Instead of doing every single, painstakingly doing every single outcomes, you just have to multiply all this and you're going to get your answer. So if you have one more event like this, just add the, multiply that with the previous one. So you have m into n into p. So these are all the, so if you multiply this, so 2 into 3 into 5, 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30. So 30 different dresses I can make by combining 2 shirts, 3 pants and 5 ties. Okay, now let us try to understand the fundamental principle of counting by solving the first exercise. So if you have the textbook, please open it up, or I have put the link in the description as I told you before. Go and download it, or if not, I'll write every single question on the board, so you just have to follow. So how many 3-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, assuming that repetition of the digits is allowed? And the second one, repetition of digits is not allowed. Let us solve the first one. So first one, so you have to create three-digit number. So this is going to be our slot. So here one number comes, here one second digit number comes, third digit number comes. So this is our numbers. So how many numbers are given to us? 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. How many numbers are there? So we have 5 numbers, doesn't we have 5 numbers. So you can put 5 numbers in this box, 5 numbers in this box. And since repetition is allowed, I can take all those 5 numbers and then put everything in the second digit also. So I'm going to put all the 5 digits also here, and same I'm going to do here also. So I can apply all the 5 numbers in every single box. So what are the number of outcomes? I just have to multiply all this. So 5 into 5 into 5, it is 125. So the answer for this is 125. So 125 different numbers could be formed by using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 3-digit number, assuming that repetition is allowed. Now what if repetition is not allowed? Okay, repetition is not allowed. What we're going to what we're supposed to do in that? So this is the second answer. So you have to create 3-digit number, and you have 5 numbers. In the first box, you're going to put all the 5 numbers. So you're going to use all the 5 numbers. And since repetition is not allowed, you're going to deduce or deduct one number in this box. So instead of writing 5, you're going to reduce by 1 and write it over here, which is 4. And here you have already used 4 of the digits, so you're going to deduce one more. So I'm going to and write it over here. So you're going to use 3 more numbers. So in the first box, you're going to put all the 5 numbers, and since repetition is not allowed, you're going to deduct one number. I'm going to substitute here, and in the next step, you have used 4 numbers, so you're going to deduce 1 in 4 and then substitute here. So if you deduce 1 in 4, you're going to get 3. So it's like consecutively decreasing order. So number of digits is just multiplication of this. So 5 fours are 20, 23s are 60. So 60 digits are possible if repetition is not allowed. Okay, so the next one is, how many 3-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 if the digits can be repeated? So how many digit number you're finding? 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3 digits. So and they're saying the digit should be even, which means the ending number should be an even number. That's how even numbers are formed. If any even number is there, the ending digits is going to be ending with either 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the four digits in which the ending number is going to end. So we need to make sure that we put only those kind of numbers in this last box. So what are the number which is given to us? We're given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the first box, I can use all the 6 numbers. In the second box, I can also use all the 6 numbers, since repetition is allowed. You can repeat things. So I can use all the 6 again. And in the third one, as I told you, that they're saying only even digits are allowed, which means here only even numbers are allowed to put. So what are the even numbers in your arsenal? So you have 2, 4, 6. So these are the only 3 even numbers which is given in your question. So we're going to take only these 3. So we put these 3. So 3 are your possible. So 3 you put there, and you just multiply all this. So 6 is 36, 36 3 is 108. So you get 108 different numbers in this question. So the next one, how many 4-letter code can be formed using the first 10 letters of the English alphabet if no letters can be repeated? Let us try to solve this. So you have to find 4-letter code. So let us first put the box 1, 2, 3, 4. And what are all the English alphabets allowed to us to use? First 10 letters, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and J. So how many letters are there? We have 10 letters. So since repetition is not allowed, we have to consecutively decrease. So in the first box, I can use all 10 letters. In the second box, I have to reduce 1 because repetition is not allowed. We have to reduce 1. So 10 minus 1, 9. So we're just taking 1 out and then putting in the next one, putting the rest in the next one. So in the next box, we're going to take 1 from 9, and rest letters we're going to put in the next box. So that's what is happening here. So we take 1 from 9 and rest we're going to put. If you take 1 from 9, how many letters are remaining? 8. So in the next box, you have 8 letters remaining to you now. So since repetition is not allowed, you have to take 1 more letter from that, and the rest you can put it there. So 8, you take 1, you get 7, and the rest you put it here. So 7 for this box. And then at last, just multiply all this because of the fundamental principle of counting. Multiply all this, you're gonna get your answer. So 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. 9 tens are 90, 8 sevens are 56. So if you multiply this, you're gonna get 5040 as your answer. So 5040 different codes could be made. So the fourth one, how many 5-digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9 if each number starts with 67 and no digits appears more than once? So let us try to solve this. So we are supposed to construct 5-digit number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5-digit number we have to construct, and they're saying, so how many numbers are given to us? 0 to 9. So 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the numbers given to us. They're saying if each number starts with 67, which means these two boxes should be provided with 67. So this will take 6 and this will take 9. This will take 7. So according to the question, each number should start with 67. So I've denoted, I've dedicated first two boxes for 6 and 7. So we have lost 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 is lost. Since repetition is not allowed, no digits appear more than once, we have to erase that because it's already given here. So we have to erase that. And the rest, how many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can put all 8 numbers in the first box. And so take 1 from 8 and rest you can put here. So if you take 1 from 8, how much you have? 7. Put it in the next box. And then you have 7. Take 1 from 7 and put it in the next box. So you have 6. And at last just multiply all this. So multiply all this, you get 8 into 7 into 6. 8 sevens are 56 into 6. 36 for the 30, 33. 336 different numbers you can make in this particular scenario. So the next one is, if a coin is tossed 3 times and the outcomes are recorded, how many possible outcomes are there? So if you toss a coin 3 times, so either here, so you have 3 possibilities. So if you toss the coin, how many possibilities you have? So for the first coin you have 2 possibilities, either head or tail. So 2 possibilities here. For the second coin, how many possibilities do you have? Same, head and tail, so 2 possibilities. For the third coin, how many possibilities you have? Same, head and tail, 2 possibilities. So multiply all the possibilities, which is 8. So this is the last problem, the first exercise. So given five flags of different colors, how many different signals can be generated if each signal requires the use of 2 flags, one below the other? So the flag is basically like this. So you have one flag. So this is the flag. This is how the flag looks like. So they use one color here and different color here. So what happens if you use the same color? You can't use the same color, because suppose you use green here and you use same color green here, it's just a green flag. So that doesn't make sense. So basically they're saying repetition is not allowed. So you can't repeat same color one after the other. So how many colors are there with you? You have 5 different flag colors. So you'll put all the 5 different here. And since repetition is not allowed, and you have 5, you have put all the 5 here. So you take 1 from that and the rest you put it over here. So you have 4. So what are the possible outcomes? 5 into 4, 5 into 4, 20. So 20 different combinations of flags you can make using this particular criteria. So this was the end of the video. If you learned something new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bar, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.